It's salty. Very, very salty.
Salty? But I added sugar.
Is this lemonade or seawater?
Definitely lemonade. Something must have gone wrong. You used salt again!
What? No way! I used the sugar jar.
Today, I am a chef. Mom, are you ready for my special breakfast?
I'm ready, Chef Oliver. Just try not to make too much mess. Oliver, can you put some salt on the eggs, please?
Sure, Mom. How much salt do you want? A lot of salt, right, Mom?
No, just a little bit. Don't make the eggs too salty. Just a little, Oliver. We want tasty eggs, not salty eggs.
Got it, Mom. I'll make them absolutely perfect. Dad, look! I'm adding the seasoning, just like Mom said.
Wow, that's a lot. Are you sure that's only a little? Breakfast time. These eggs look interesting.
Dig in, Dad. I made them especially for you.
Why does this egg taste so sweet?
Eggs aren't supposed to be sweet.
Lily, taste this. Is it just me, or is this egg sweet?
Let me try. Oh, wow, it tastes like candy. Yuck! Oliver, what did you put on these eggs? I used the salt, Lily. At least, I thought I did. Mom, I think I used the wrong jar.
Let me see. Oliver, that's sugar, not salt. Sugar on eggs? That's a new recipe.
Maybe I'm creating a new breakfast.
Well, Oliver, that was one unforgettable breakfast.
Sweet eggs are officially my invention. Fresh lemon lemonade! Come and get some! Cold, fresh, and delicious. We're ready for customers. Okay, Lily, I'll add the sugar now. Great, just don't make it too sweet. There, a little extra sugar makes it even better. Oliver, that's not a little, that's a lot. It's gonna be so sweet. I really hope you're right, Oliver.
1 glass of lemonade, please.
Coming right up. 1 fresh lemonade.
Ah, that's refreshing.
See? I told you it would be delicious.
It's salty. Very, very salty.
Salty? But I added sugar.
Is this lemonade or seawater?
Definitely lemonade. Something must have gone wrong. You used salt again!
What? No way! I used the sugar jar.
Oops, I thought this was sugar. I knew it! You picked the wrong jar again.
Well, now I don't need to go to the beach.
Because my lemonade already tastes like the ocean?
Oliver, maybe check the label next time.
Okay. No more mystery lemonade. Time for watermelon! Yay! Watermelon!
A little salt makes the watermelon taste better.
Really? I can do it, Mom. I will do it, Mom. Okay, just add a little. Just a little salt.
Oliver, that looks like quite a lot.
Try this, Dad.
Sure. Let me see what you made. Wow! This is super sweet!
Really? I knew it would be good.
Wait. It's too sweet. Oliver, you used sugar.
Oh, I did? That explains why it's so good. You always use the wrong one.
Okay. Maybe I need bigger labels. Sugar on watermelon is good.
You really like it? More sugar! Mine is sweeter. I think mine wins.
I think mine wins.
Okay, everyone, that's enough sugar.
Sugar melon! Sweet and delicious.
Hey, look at that donut. Yeah, I'm gonna make it even better. A little powder should make this donut perfect. I have an idea. Let's see what happens. Which one should I use? There! Nice and sweet. Yeah, sweet. That donut looks perfect. I can't wait to taste it. This is... Well, what is this? Gotcha! Oliver, my donut is a salt mine. Got you! Got you! That was not funny.
What's the problem?
Nothing, teacher. Oliver is playing a prank, teacher. I only wanted to make a joke.
Pranks can be funny, Oliver, but don't ruin someone's lunch.
I understand, teacher. I'm sorry.
Let's make cookies, my dear children.
Yes, Grandma! Let's make the best cookies ever! This dough is so soft.
I love making cookies.
Where is the sugar?
It should be right there, Grandma. Here you go, Grandma. I found the sugar.
There we go. Plenty of sugar.
Perfect, Grandma.
Grandma, wait! Is that sugar?
What do you mean?
Huh?
Oh dear! My glasses are old.
We use salt instead of sugar.
They look amazing.
They look amazing.
They certainly do.
These cookies look perfect.
Let's taste them.
It's so salty. Way too salty.
We can give these to the birds. Maybe they will like them.
Maybe the birds will like them.
They actually like the salty cookies.
I guess the birds are our biggest fans.
What is this?
Easy. I can guess it. It's sugar. It's sweet.
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Absolutely. It's definitely sugar. Wait. Something is wrong.
I think you guessed wrong.
It's salt!
Salt? Now you know.
Your turn, Lily. What is this?
Okay, let me taste it. This is definitely salt. Oh, wait, it's sugar!
You almost got it wrong, too.
From now on, we must label the jars.
Yes! No more confusing salt and sugar. Salt and sugar.
Now we can't mix them up.
To no more mix-ups.
Cheers!
Cheers!